when I face with any problems, I will, firstly find about the root cause of that problems, and then step by step. I think that like to me, I have some kind of we can call backup plans for our business plan, and by manage our expectation at the beginning of the process, we can. To me, the setbacks or the difficulties, challenges is not too big with me because I set my expectation. It's not too much. It's not too high. And when I face with any problems, I will, firstly find about the root cause of that problems, and then step by step figure out how to adapt to it or how to change to come over it. So that I think the more important thing is to master the problem solving, and like don't be rush or don't be too kind of. You have to be patient. You have to think about don't be in any rush situation, because if you are in that situation, you can make decision like your decision can be the wrong one. And besides, I also do my little bit meditation. It can help me to be like more, like calm in the difficult situation.
How often do you do the meditation and how long?
I started that process just about a few years until now. It's usually just about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. A few times a week is enough for us to have better, stronger mind to help at least lead, during the difficult situation.
Got it. Thank you for sharing about that, Tan. So now I want to go back to your startup life. It's about a lot of entrepreneurs wanting to raise capital, raise fund to fund their idea, to make it happen. And you're in that space. I have known that you have been working on fundraising as well too. So you're the right guy to talk about it too.